Hello. Hi. Excuse me.
Hey.
This is my spot where I always read from, so do you mind?
You've even made me lose my game.
I say this is my spot, this is where I always read from, so do you mind?
I find it a good place as well. Aren't you going to read?
Gentlemen. Hello, Cheris. How are you? Now make sure those things are prepared because I don't think I'll come over work. Yeah. Today I'm off. No. Tell them I'm off. Yeah, you can reschedule. Yeah. Oh, it's okay. It's fine.
Yo, Papa, why are you?
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Eh? Welcome. Man, how are you?
I am fine, thank you. Today you're married?
I'd forgotten. This.
The way you have been calling me every minute, every second. What is wrong?
Man,
Is there anything that is not happening?
today I'm telling you, these things of marriage, if you are there, you'll understand. You'll understand. But
What do you
today,
understand?
today is a party.
Party?
Yes.
Party for what again?
My wife.
Has she given birth?
No.
Has she gotten a visa?
She came in the morning and she told me, honey, I'm going somewhere. I want to go. I told her, you know what? You go. I'm like, yeah.
So is the party?
Yeah. Sometimes she calls you. I thought she's the one.
She's not the one calling.
So
No.
today it's a good day.
It's a good day.
Very good day.
Is she not divorcing? Oh, maybe she
No.
says have something.
No,
she says like something.
No, she's like she wants to go see friends or parents or what. I didn't even ask. I was like, you go. I enjoy.
Now the field is yours. The stadium.
The field.
Hey, your home.
My home is a field.
What are you going to do now?
Because Man U, Arsenal, Chelsea, Liverpool.
Home and away.
Home and away. But she's good. Wait we have to party. as Christians party.
Hey, Christian.
Yeah. Wait
Probably someone came early today to conquer the spot. I can't imagine I'm speaking alone.
Will someone have her peace while reading without any background noise?
Finally, she's saying a word.
Why don't you find somewhere else to sit?
Perhaps this is the place all of us can read and understand what we are reading.
You're actually going to make me hate this place.
Like why? Impossible. Not bad so far.
You're contemplating about something.
Yeah. Man, for sure, this life, the life I'm living is not so sweet.
Hey,
Aha.
it's sweet. It's not sweet.
Mm.
You're going
You know,
to enjoy without the limit.
yeah, but sometimes I feel pity about myself.
Either way.
I feel sorry for myself. I said, Jordan, why don't you leave these things? Now my Jordan tells me, Jordan, if you leave these
You're a
things,
fool.
what are you going to do? You're a fool.
I understand you, man.
Eh?
I understand.
I'm there in a Quankamaya state.
But you know what, Jordan? Something to think about. I'm worried now.
Mm.
I'm not worried about what is happening. I'm worried about your wife.
Yeah,
Your wife loves you so much. You know that?
I love her.
I know.
Yes.
But
I love my wife.
The way she's going.
No, she has just gone. Not gone as she's not coming back. No, she has gone for a visit. Is it?
Now the home is a stadium, a field.
All to Jordan and Rodin. Rodin, Jordan, Rodin, Jordan.
Time to celebrate my
yeah,
brother.
man.
I really want to distort your spot today.
So is that why you decided to wait along the way? What if I hadn't choose this route anyways?
There's only one loot that comes from that spot.
So for how long has this been going on?
About a week, alongside some other research.
Okay. Not bad. What research?
AI system codings and backend codes. Something also the backend of those Funday links.
What do you mean?
Let me show you.
Nice move. Is that how you've been getting girls?
Not really. By the way, I'm Steve.
Steve, you're doing IT, right?
Yeah, sure. And you?
Lisa, I'm doing travel and tourism. Nice to meet you.
please.
So why you take long to open?
Sorry. How are you?
I want to come in.
Please, who are you?
I want to come in.
What do you want?
I want to see my husband.
Then who are you? No, I don't know
I am
you.
Alan.
Alan?
Uh-huh.
No, I don't know you.
I am Alan and I've come to see my husband. So
Let's first find out.
hurry because I'm tired.
Let's first find out.
Our honey banurachi abaletan. If he's inside like a nyingi, then ngende mulabe.
Wait, I first call him. Yes, hello? Yeah, there's a lady here. You said you're who?
I'm Alan Sebo, I'm Alan.
She's Alan and she told me she wants to come in and see you. Is it fine? Okay. Said it's coming, please.
Then you should leave my face. Don't close. I want to see him.
You girl, did you get an internship place?
Yeah, I got an internship place. I've even already started internships.
I'm still looking. I haven't found any.
You haven't gotten an internship place. What are you going to do?
But there is someone I contacted and then they told me they are going to call me this evening. So I haven't received their call yet, but I guess they'll call.
Manago internship aside, I met some guy. He told me his name is Steve. But I think he had been stalking me for a while because I asked him how long he had been stalking me and he was like for a week. So I think he likes me and he's not bad because he has the height. He's not very light. Okay, he's not really light. He's not dark as well. I think he's just like me. Just there. And I think he's cute. So I'm just waiting. I really don't know. I don't know what to do.
Yes, are you in love?
I'm not in love yet. But then, the way he was nice to me, I think something will work out.
Okay. What did you say his name is?
He said his name is Steve. He didn't tell me the other name. So, waiting. We actually chat and the conversations go on very well. Things are going on very well.
Okay, that's good. Sorry, let me take this call.
Sure.
Hello? Yes, good evening. Yes, it's me. Oh, okay. Okay, I'll be right there. Yes, just 5 minutes. Thank you.
Is anything the matter?
Yeah, the internship. The woman, the madam has called me, the internship woman. I have to go right now.
Congratulations.
Thank you. I will see you later.
Hello, shall we meet in the evening?
Oh. You're welcome. What?
The baby, I'm pissed.
What is it?
That boy of yours, I've waited
And just leave
and
that
after
kind
he
of man.
closed the door.
What? I will deal with him. Don't mind about him.
Nyota chimanyi nonze mchala wo.
Don't mind about him. And you're so beautiful to
He has
me
to apologize.
just outside.
He has to apologize.
I will deal with him. Just leave him. I will deal with him. You don't need to be outside. Okay? Don't smile a little bit. You should smile. You know? Again. Don't worry.
Nice to meet you, Yvonne.
Nice meeting you. No, don't worry. I'm going to deal with him. The first thing to do, dealing with him. Okay?
Jema.
Chechi, ombuzeeko.
Yendi.
Tambula licha.
Kiriya oli bulungi.
Chakabendi steady.
Buseeko naawe.
Baddeyo.
Mimi kigenda.
Si mibi.
Nange bwentyo.
Pozi gwe.
Mpola.
Kachikano.
Kano kantu kamugagga. Kantu kamugagga.
Nkawulira omugagga nga alina ssente.
Akantuma buli lunaku.
Kajebu's coffee. Mukagogola emisuwa. Kalungi eri abato n'abakulu. Bonna bakanywa. Kaakano akantu kosinga.
Kale. Naye ono omusajja simanyi sijja kulimba. Okimanyi kuva mukazi olwe yagenda. Atuusa buli lunaku.
Omusajja si mulokole.
Yali akandeeta bw'ati. Nanga wano saagala mwenge, saagala banyo banjaga, saagala biki. Naye buli lunaku akyusa. Omukazi kumakya olw'eggulo. Ate nenneewuunya. Omulokole kiki? Kalolo kaleese olw'eggulo. Kati nendwawo kaggulira. Ne kalwa ku gate kayombye. N'omusajja ne n'ayomba. Nsobola kugoba biki n'ayomba nenga bannange. Era ndeka ngende.
Otolo genda.
Ayinza okuyombera awo.
Omusajja ayinza okugobera awo.
Kale.
Naye kantuuse ebintu bya mukama wange.
Kale sebo.